But I grew up in a really highly dysfunctional home. So my parents were constantly fighting and I didn't know how to deal with that really. I was just doing my best to navigate through it. And I kind of just suffered in silence for most of my life with that experience. I didn't express it to anybody else. It was like I ended up using singing as my outlet to be able to process my emotions and what I was experiencing at home. I had this instinct of to be self-healing because no one in my environment didn't have the tools, let's say, to be able to change what was happening. And so I was like, I'm gonna do it for myself.
What does a dysfunctional family look like?
The way that I would describe the differences between a functional family and a dysfunctional family, the way that you choose to actively communicate and repair when conflict happens.
What could be happening in the nervous mind of a parent going through the situation?
Yeah.
How would you explain that on a close to scientific level with the relationship with their nervous mind?
It depends from one person to the next because everybody's nervous system, we often don't think that anger is a stress response state, but it is. So stress response is your body observes something within the environment that it thinks is a threat. That triggers your stress response state. Your nervous system goes into that fight or flight zone, what I like to also call fear response states. Then you've got the three others, which not a lot of people talk about, are